Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update, dear students, from National Institute of Ocean Technology, okay, Ministry of Earth Science, Government of India. When you will go here to the official website, here one latest recruitment is here. This is you can see last date is 23rd December, but when we will click here, this recruitment advertisement will be open. So here advertisement number this and here the name of post. Let's check it out. So project scientist 3, project scientist 2, project scientist 1, project scientific assistant, project technician, project field assistant, project junior assistant, research associate, senior research fellow, junior research fellow. So they are having multiple vacancies. Total number of vacancies are 152, dear students. They mention here the category wise division also. They mention number of vacancy and category. Now let's check it out. First of all, this is the official website where you can check more details. So let's check it out. Who can apply here? What is the eligibility criteria? Okay, and for which specific post BE Tech students are eligible. Let's check it out. So here they mention first of all the project scientist 3. Okay, in this one they want PhD or MSc. So I will not suggest. I will not go with this one. The next is the project scientist 2. Number of posts 7. Maximum age limit 40 here. Emoluments will be 67,000 plus HRA. Okay, and here the qualification is ME MTech in mechanical, thermal, production, marine, naval, Asian industrial. This is one with a 3-year experience. So this is again not for the freshers. Then after that, this is a long PDF of 27 pages. Again MSc. This is masters in oceanology, physics. No. Here MEM taken electronics and communication, electronics and applied electronics, VLSI design, unreserved vacancies one only. Okay, plus 3-year experience they want here. Okay, and yeah, this is for the BE Tech students. Wait a minute. Yeah, so name of the post is project scientist 1. Number of the post 34. They mention here category wise division also. Upper age limit is 35 year. What is the pay scale? 56,000 plus HRA. Okay, and increment of 5% for every 2 year of experience subject to performance review. What is the essential qualification? BE Tech in mechanical engineering from recognized university with minimum 60% marks in the qualifying degree. Desirable is MEM Tech. Also they mention some job requirement. Also you should have this knowledge. Okay, and similarly here we are having, no, this is for the masters. Sorry. Yeah, this is similarly BE Tech in electronics and communication, ECE and ENI. 6 post. Number of posts they mention here with the 60% marks. Desirable is ME Tech here, and they require this job involve embedded system programming, C plus, MATLAB, Python. All these are required. Okay, and this is again for BE Tech. No, this one. This is BE Tech in electrical and electronics engineering. Number of vacancy one only, or ME is desirable with minimum 60% marks. BE Tech in civil is also there. Okay, so you can see mechanical, civil, ECEE is also here. So 4 post BE Tech in civil with 60% marks. Desirable is ME Tech, and these all requirements they want. Okay, then this is MSc or BTech in microbiology. Okay, BTech in bioinformation. No, not this one. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Then they are having project scientific assistant, which is for the diploma student. 3-year diploma in mechanical, electronics, automobile engineering. So this is for the diploma students, where the allowances will be 20,000 plus HRA. Okay. So this all for the diploma students, and then they are having some 10 plus 2 also. So majorly I'm talking about the BE Tech students, which I already talk. Okay, discussed. Now here, what is the recruitment process? So they mention here the recruitment process also, even the written test specifically they mention here. Acha, if you are looking for here, this is, so they mention here project scientific assistant. I'm looking for project scientific assistant. Project scientist also they mention here, EC, okay, electrical, civil, or mechanical. No, mechanical is the next one. So in this one, who can apply? Here the mechanical. Okay, who can apply? Interviews, there the process is interview. They mention the direct interview dates also, dear students. And while I'm talking about project scientific assistant, so in this one, EC, mechanical, electrical, civil, computer science are there. But the selection process is written test. They mention separate date of the written test also, 23rd January, 6th February, 28th January. Like this one, separate branch wise, they are having some written test also. Okay, then project technician, which is for the diploma students. So this is the major thing we are having here. How to apply? As I told you already, you need, if you face any difficulty, you can go to the official website, which I already told you earlier. Okay, here they mention some other extra recruitment also, I means requirement. They mention some general instructions, term and condition, who can apply here. You can check it out, all the details before applying. Upper age limit also they mention. Okay, and I think okay, so some instructions are mentioned here, please check it out. Selection of the post of project scientist and research fellow will be based on the performance in the interview, so direct interview will be there. For other remaining posts, they are having the written test also. And here the last date for applying, the last date will be 23rd December 2024. Before that, you can fill the form. Okay, as I'm showing you again the name of the post which you can apply. I Where it is, project is scientific assistant or project scientist one. Here, no, not this one. uh Not this one. Research associate is not. Yeah, yeah, this one here, this is for the 10th. So they mentioned the 10th class students also. 10 plus 2 is also there, diploma is also there, BE Tech is also there. This is the, where it is, I will show you here only. Just like here, this is for the diploma student. For diploma student, project scientific assistant 20,000 plus, and emoluments will be this one. And for the engineering students, as I show you here, BE Tech, not this, not this, not this. As I told you, this is a long PDF, so I need to scroll up and down only. Here, so BE Tech, what is the post? Post is the project scientific. Okay, project scientist only. Project scientist 1, civil project scientist 1, mechanical project scientist 1, EC double E they mention here. So these posts you are eligible, dear students. Being an engineer, fresher engineering student, you are eligible. If you are having minimum 60% marks, then accordingly you can apply. Okay, because for the project scientist, uh, if I will go here, what is the simple thing you can see, for the project scientist they are having interview process only, not even the written test. They are having interview project process only. Look at here, as I told you now, this one project scientist 1, every engineering student, if you are having in civil, electrical, EC, okay, CS, then you are eligible here for the direct interview, though no written test for the engineering student. For the diploma student, there is a written test process. Okay guys, thank you. Stay connected to IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel.